Okay. Close your eyes for a moment. It is 2 a.m. The house is quiet. You sit on a chair. You are cancer free. But your body feels very heavy. It feels like you are carrying stones. Your arms feel very weak, and your heart also feels very scared. People say, you beat cancer, be happy now. But yourself, you feel very different. Inside you, you are feeling tired all the time. You are feeling confused. You are feeling alone. If this feels like you, today's message is for you. I'm Dr. Joshua Derito, a family physician. I have interest in public health and cancer prevention and treatment. In this channel, we break complex science into simple steps that you can use today. This evening, we are talking about healing after cancer. I see patients during cancer treatment, diagnosis, and long before after treatment. And today we are going to talk about true healing from cancer. It's not just surviving, but healing. When we talk about healing, we are talking about healing your body, total person, your mind, and even your spirit. So, what we need to understand is that healing is a journey. Many people think of healing that once you have been declared that the cancer is cleared, then you are done. But healing is a journey, as I've said. Your body has survived the chemotherapy, you have survived the radiation, you even have survived the surgery, and even the fear of the cancer. Remember, this is like a war. So, no wonder you feel very tired. Your body has gone through a lot. So, when you feel tired, it is not weakness, it is your body resetting again from all these things that you have gone through. So, you need to reset yourself. You have become a new person. So, up to 8 or 9 people of the 10 people who undergo cancer treatment, they feel deep fatigue, and this is during and even after treatment. And many still feel very tired many years after treatment. This is not unusual. You are not alone, and this is called the cancer-related fatigue. It is real, and it is not laziness. So we may get into a big trap that affects many people after the cancer treatment. You feel tired, and so you rest. And the more you rest, the more you feel weaker. And so you rest even more. Then you even feel tired. Why does this happen? When you rest, the muscles become weaker. So you lose your muscles. And then you get more weaker. And the more you rest, the more you lose your muscles, the more tired that you even get. So you end up getting entangled in a loop of tiredness. This is the good news. What has science shown? Studies that have been done as late as the beginning of this year show that gentle movement helps. If you want to get out of this loop of tired, muscle loss, tired more, then start movement. You can start with walking, and even small walking, 10 to 20 minutes. Slow, comfortable walking, or you can do slow cycling, which you are not straining, you are comfortable. Then doing some light stretches. I have said you can start with the 5 to 10 minutes, starts rolling. Remember that your body is learning that it is safe to be active. So we are rebuilding. And remember that what matters most is the consistency. I always talk about consistency beating the intensity. So you don't need to work yourself out. And the people who walk often after cancer, they feel less tired. They sleep better. They even feel happier because exercises releases the feel good hormones, and these make you feel more energized. And these small steps brings a lot of power back. You start slowly, make it consistent. For you to be consistent, create a system where you can have a specific time that you exercise, then you continue doing that. If you feel things are not going as you intend, you can always review, readjust, but you keep going. Remember that systems beat willpower. So, what are the 5 pillars of healing after cancer? I'll share with you 5 pillars that have been proven to work in healing after cancer, and these are supported by strong evidence. The first pillar is move a little. So start walking daily, start small, and build consistently. Slow but steady wins, not over exhaustion. Then use your energy wisely. What does this mean? Remember, there are times of the day that you feel weak, there are times that you feel overwhelmed, there are times that you feel worked up. So what are the times that you feel that you have energy? Could be in the morning. 1, sleep at the same time and have a specific wake up time. Expose yourself to the morning sunlight, the earliest hours of the morning, possibly before 10. This helps you to set your circadian rhythm for better sleep. Then ensure that you don't expose yourself to electronics an hour before you are asleep. Sleep repairs your body, it is restorative. Eat to rebuild. You just don't eat. You eat to nourish your body. How do you nourish your body? Make sure that you're eating enough proteins, the eggs, the beans, the milk, the meat. Ensure that you are drinking adequate amounts of water, and then ensure you have adequate supply of iron. Check your hormone levels, especially thyroid, if the tiredness persists long, and sometimes you may need to see your health provider if the fatigue persists consistently, because there are things like low thyroid hormones, lack of vitamin B12, lack of iron, low hemoglobin levels. These can lead to persistent tiredness. So the next pillar, heal your heart and your mind. Yes, cancer brings fear. The fear of recurrence is real. Fear may return. Sometimes you may feel very sad. Your feelings have changed. You have gone through a difficult time. Having someone to share with about what you are feeling, about what you are experiencing, is healing. So, counseling helps. There is what we call cognitive behavior therapy, where you have a psychologist and the therapist help you overcome the fear that you have and be able to manage the emotions that you have. Mindfulness helps, especially when you have these sorts of fear. Prayer, when you know that there is a higher power that is beside you and walking with you, and this helps your mind to feel safe and also your body to grow stronger. There is a need for an emotional difference. important. So listen very carefully. You are not lazy at all. You are not weak either. You have survived an enormous event in your life. Healing takes time and it builds in layers. So one short walk, a good night's sleep, that's a small win, but it makes a big difference. Again and again and again, you do it repeatedly. That is how strength returns. Not in intensity, but in small, persistent, daily small things that you repeat on a daily basis. One day soon, that 2 p.m. crash will become the 2 p.m. walk. The 2 p.m. smile. Answer. Now is time to rebuild. Answer. Now is time to rebuild your life. Thank you. If this message speaks to you, share it with someone who could be healing from cancer, or someone who is taking care of someone who has cancer. And if you want to get more tips on how to improve your life and how to improve your health, subscribe and follow the Overall Health YouTube channel. I'm here with you to work with you. And if you need personalized coaching, how to look at your health, your nutrition, your sleep, your exercise, and manage your stresses in a better way, then join the Health Insights 360 program. This will help you be able to manage your health and look at the pillars of health and live and become a new you, building higher expectations for yourself and going through your health in a guided, personalized way. Thank you for watching. We meet in the next live presentation. Thank you.